Welcome back, friends. Quite recently, we were dealing with progression, its concept, different cases relating to progression. We have dealt with various situations thereby we have to solve various application level cases, different adjustment cases, and in the previous session, we were dealing with geometric progression, some of the n terms in geometric progression, and different application level situation relating to geometric progression. Next, let's deal with some of the other cases relating to geometric progression. In the last session, we were discussing that there is a note or a situation in which whenever you are given a sequence, thereby the product of that sequence is given and you need to find three numbers in that geometric progression. In such situation, you can assume that let the three numbers be a by r, a, and ar. I hope you all are aware about the same situation because we have dealt with such situations in arithmetic progressions. It's somewhat similar, but the situation and equation formation is just quite different. Okay, let's deal with situation like that. Okay, case number. The sum of three numbers in geometric progression is 35 and their product is 1000. Find the numbers. A situation is similar to that expression given in that note. So let's assume that the numbers be a by r, a and a plus r. Now in the question it is said that the sum of three numbers in geometry progression is 35 and their product is 1000. So we just assumed that let the numbers be a by r, a and a plus r. So on the basis of first part of the question, it is said that sum of three numbers means all these three, these assumed values, these are numbers you will get 35, so that we can write that a by r plus a plus ar equal to 35 because it's given in the question. Let it be a. And in the second part of the question, it is stated that the product of these three numbers is 1000. That is a by r into a into ar, that is equal to 1000. Because it's given in the question that when you multiply these three numbers, you will get 1000. And also it is stated that when you add all these three numbers, you will get 35. Let's assume that first one is equation A, second one is equation B. From B, that is from B, you will get A3 equal to 1000. This is based on its basic mathematical step, that is this r and this r1, that is denominator r and this numerator r, they both will be cancelled. Then remaining 3a means a3 equal to 1000, that is a is 10. I hope you understand what is the meaning of that step. So let a equal to 10 be c. Now we can substitute the c in a. We can substitute the c in a. The equation was that a by r plus a plus r. We found that a is 10. Substituting the 10 in equation, that is 10 by r plus 10r equal to 35. Here the 10 by r is in fraction form. So let's multiply. So in order to remove that fraction, you need to multiply r. You need to multiply r in that equation. In order to remove this fraction 10 by r, you need to multiply r in this equation or pattern. You will get 10 because r into 10 by r will be cancelled. So only remaining number is 10. 10 plus 10 into r, 10 r into 10 or 10 into r, you will get 10r plus r into 10r equal to 10r square equal to 35r. You know now the situation is going towards a case of quadratic form. You will get 10r square minus 25r plus 10 equal to 0. I hope you all know how to identify or convert a series to a quadratic form. Here I divided by 5 in order to make this equation or quadratic form into somewhat simple, not to convert the same into a simple form so as to help in calculation. So I just divided the number with the 5. You can do whatever it is. You may either divide it 5 by 5 or directly take this 10r square minus 25r plus 10 equal to 0 in the equation. That's up to you. Okay, by using the quadratic formula, you will get r is 1 by 2 or 2. You know that the value of r, you will get two answers. By using the quadratic formula, you will get two answers. So now the answers is 1 by 2 or 2. Okay, now it's quite familiar with this step, because in the previous slides or previous classes, whenever you come across this line, you will get one number is positive, other is negative. So you naturally go for the positive number, neglecting the negative number. Here the two numbers are positive. Then how we are going to deal with it? Okay, let's try both numbers and see whether what are the series or numbers we are getting. Our assumption was that let the three numbers be a by r, a and a plus r. So let's substitute 1 by 2 in all these three numbers. When r is 1 by 2, the numbers are 10 divided by 0.5. 0.5 means 1 by 2 is 0.5, comma a 10, because we found the value that a is 10, and finally ar, that is 10 into 0.5, you will get 10 into, okay, finally you get 20, 10 and 5. Okay, okay, when we use r, when we use the number 2 in that is the value of r, that is 2 in the equation, was a by r comma a by r equal, by substituting the 2 in the equation you will get a by r. There is a is 10, 10 divided by 2, and a is 10, and finally ar is 10 into 2, you will get 5, 10 and 20. Since you get three numbers, and three numbers is common in case of 1 by 2 and 2, since you will select all these three numbers in the series, whereby you've assumed that a by r, a and ar. So our now answer over the numbers is 5, 10 and 20. Next case, prove that the sum to n terms of the series 11 plus 103 plus 1005 plus the series going on like that, and finally you need to find that when the sum of all these numbers in the series is calculated, you will get the number 10 by 9 into 10 raised to n minus 1 into plus n raised to 2. I hope we have dealt with the same situation in the previous slide. And we have discussed in detail how to deal with the same question. Okay, in that slide, we doesn't have these two sentences. Just make familiar with that sentences. All these steps have been dealt in the previous slide. So just go through it. See here. So whenever you get a number like this, just remember that you need to split the series into somewhat meaningful form, that is whether that can be dealt in geometry progression or arithmetic progression format, and find out the numbers as per required in geometry progression as well as arithmetic progression. Here the first series is in geometry progression, and the first term, that is a is 10 and the common ratio r is 10, and in second case series is second bracket in arithmetic progression with first term, that is a is 1 and d is 2, and the rest I hope you all know how to deal with the equation and cases. So just go through it. If you have any doubts or doubts or any issues relating with the problem, just contact me. Thank you.